No holds barred.
Oh, thank you. I don't know. Let's just see if we can make a little progress on this thing.
Stemming seemed to do a lot for me. Not afraid of damaging his watch. That's a brave man. I haven't seen my watch in a while.
You might never again.
Well, at least I didn't destroy it climbing. Nice.
You come down and look at her.
Sure. Good thing I waited you. Because I knew that would stretch.